Round between Mario and Amores. Officiating officials Daniel Cano, Jason Pateno, and Alan Clemente. Championship game, 100 versus Johnny. And that by number 2, crossing to the midcourt line, looking for his teammates. Hit by number 8, number 13 versus number 10. Drive, pull up, miss, rebound, pick up by Team Cali, number 9. Monaco to Arguelles looking for his teammates. Pass to Ivan, 110, set shot, sorry miss. Rebound, pick up by number 18. Salaudin, forward pass, and the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Team Cali. Arguelles Patricio, Ivan drinking grab for crossing the midcourt line, pass to J.R. Monaco, to Ivan Montes, under the ground, D, rebound, good job, D. Salaudin, is on the midcourt, number 14, crossing the midcourt line, stop and drop for 3, sorry miss. Rebound by Gil Santito. Rebound, Stigo. There you go. But we have a whistle. Ball number 20. Salaudin. Iba, Monaco Patricio. Pass to Stigo. There's Stigo. We have a whistle. Look at this defensive foul of number 3. Gil Santito. First foul. Number 13, that's number 13, Bautista, looking for his teammate, that's number 10. Mingus, rebound hit by Armario, pass to Monaco, pass to Arguelles, rebound Arguelles, pass to Monaco, make it go! Next up, kicking the ball, 2 points, J.R. Monaco. First 2 points in the ball game, coming from Team Cali. Here comes Juan Amogues. Jump shot, 2 points, Juan Amogues. Dijo to Monaco, looking for his teammate, Dijo. Right, looking the basketball, double to the cover, to Salaudin. Face out, 2 points, Joshua Salaudin. Here comes Kumai, Arguelles, where his move, pass to Nico, retreat, Papos, rebound, pick up by Armario, put back, losing the ball, 2 points. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 7 seconds, here comes Amogues, Carrasco, Michel, miss, rebound by Armario, pass to Arguelles, Arguelles forward pass, Nico Armario. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Hunter. Joshua Salaudin building the basketball, looking for his teammate. Crossing to the midcourt line, pass to number 10, Villa Villanueva. Make it move. He's out. In and out. Rebounding away from Tex. It's going by Arguelles. Arguelles, take it good, make it right. Take it shot. And we have a result. Ball number Jobel Arguelles, shoot for 2. First shot is good. Second try. 142. Inbound by Amogues. Pass to Salaudin. Dribbling the basketball. Crossing to the midcourt line. Hagas Paletito. Giving it to Loma. Pass to Loma. Loma. Let it through. Let it shot. Not by Armario. Here comes Ivan. Montes. Picking up the basketball. Armario losing the ball. 2 points. 8-4 in favor of Team Cali. Salaudin. Make it move. Pass to Amogues. 30-point making shot. Pass again. Juan Amogues. 4-3. That's 1 point. 8-7. With 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Yeah. Here comes Amogues losing the basketball. And then the whistle. On the number 8, Loma. team foul, team 100. Inbound, Digno, Barbuye. Here comes Barbuye. Make a shot, using the board, rebound, Loma. Salaumi, oh, raise it up. 2 points, Joshua Salaumi. Alvarez to Digno. Digno dribbling the basketball, looking for his teammate. Make it go. Anticipated by Ronald Lopez. Here comes Salaudi. Lays it up. 2 points. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Team Hunter. 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Bautista, moving the basketball, passing the ball, now go on, J.R. Monigo, making move, moving the basketball, drop to his teammate, Alvarez Benjamin, air ball, rebound picked up by number 10, Villanova, dribbling violation, Sabra, ball possession, Team Cali, 13-8 by 4. There comes the Vega. Make it move. Vega Around. Salaumi. 2 points. Using the board, 2 points, inbound, 2 minutes, 50 seconds to the first half of action. 17-10. Here comes the Vega, number 1. Pass to number 3, Digno. Digno, make it move. Digno, make it shot, using the board. 2 points. Dijon Digno. Traveling. Sabra. And Padang. 2 points. Number 7. Rebound by Team Cali. Number 27, Derasho. Pass to the line, go on, Reyes. Make a shot, using the board. 2 points. Here comes number 27, Derasho. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 27. Good shot. 2 points. Also, Derasho. Bounce pass, Beckman, Reyes. 7 inbound. 14 seconds on the shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Here comes Fidel. Big back. Big shot, sorry me. Here comes number 25, Viva. Make it forward. Shoot. Rebound to the right now. Pass to Velasco, pass to Mega. Into the basket. Big time drive. Under the stop. And we have a whistle. And that is a foul on number 19. Remaining time 23 seconds. First drive by Tibega is good. Second drive. Miss. Rebound to Tibega. Make it move. Next time. Missing the board. 2 points. Angelo Tibega. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. We have a whistle. Remaining time 3 seconds. Put that. End of the first quarter. Don't we have a foul? Foul at number 27. 2.2. First try is good. Second try. 2.2. Score 20. Down by 2 over. Keep batting. Ang Gao, Ming Reyes, for Team Hunter. Inbound by the Vega pass to Urbano. Here comes Urbano. Make it good. Nakalipot, beating. This is the pass. Pass to the Agawan. Here comes Reyes. Reyes, pass to his teammate. Number 12. To Reyes. Here comes Reyes eventually to Urbano. Here comes Garabet. Pick up by number 13, Senilio. Urbano gives out the basketball. Looking for his teammate, pass to Tibega. Here comes Tibega. Make his move. Tibega, drive. Make a shot, using the board. 2 points, Angelo Tibega. Reyes. First down, first team foul, Team Hunter. Remaining time 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Here comes Urbano. Make it move. Urbano Balen. Bounce pass to number 20, pass to number 4. Make it 5. Step shot. Miss, rebound. Hunter, put back. Miss, rebound. Put back, 2 points plus a foul. First back. Body shot. It's good. 24-21. Team got it up by 3. Here comes Ronald Morgan. Reyes. To number 16. 2 points. That guy play. Backdoor play for Team Hunter. Here comes Tibega. Tibega pass to Black. Looking for three. Missing the basketball. Here comes Black. Pass to Tibega. Tibega. And the dribble. 6-second move. Marvin Pillion. 27-23. Team Gary up by 4. 7 minutes, 45 seconds. Second quarter of action. It is a championship game. We have a whistle. 4-2. 2.2. Si Ron Amogues, kanya nakita pero sila ito. Here comes De Vega. Astonico. Traveling. 26 under with 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Second quarter of action. Reyes. Isonio. That's Reyes. Number 16. Bago Corrida. Here comes De Vega. With the basket. Left-handed layup. 2 points for Angelo De Vega. Here comes Reyes. Barcelona Mogue. Make it good. Baby shot. In this hand. On Amogue. Here comes De Vega. Now it's back to Urbano. Urbano looking for a three. Make the shot. Tony shoot it. Urbano down. In. Number 13 comes in. Here comes number 16. Number 16. Number 35. Please. Here comes Urbano. He's driving move. Urbano again. De Vega, looking for Armario. Here comes De Vega. With 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nico, down to 7. 5 to shoot. Urbano, make it good. Layup. 2 points. Here comes Alaudin. Alaudin, looking for his teammate. Pass to Amogue. Asesório, here comes Zion. Shot number 6. De Vega to Urbano. Urbano made it scoop. He was in the middle of the Urbano. Pass to his teammate. Urbano with 12 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes Pico. Make it cool, face the back. Pass it to Ganawan. Sono, forward pass. Ganaudi. Pass his teammate. Anticipate the job of Kuya Kato. Pico Armario. Armario drive. Make it back, miss. Ivan Villarreal. Pass it to Amogue. Crossing to the report line, looking for his teammate. Pass to Urbano. Urbano. Fancy dribble. That's by number 10. Here comes Pico. His shot for Germany again. Out of bounds. Something. Here comes Samoges, taking 13, make the shot. Sorry, miss. Rebound picked up by J.R. Monico. Here comes Arguez. Looking for 3, make the shot. 2 points for Germany. Arguez. 41, 36. Team got it. Going 5. Villanova shoot for 2. First try is good. Last 2 minutes for the second quarter of action. Second try. Please, rebound. One guess. Here comes Arguez. Big by Armario. Arguez for 3. Looking for his teammate. That's Villanova. Take the shot. Please, rebound. Pick up by Monte. Pass to Arguez. Arguez, forward pass. Play Armando. Then it goes. Back to Armando. Armando take the shot. Take the shot. 2 points. That's a foul. Who's got that ball number? First foul. Bonus shot for Mario Soribis. 1 minute, 10 seconds. 3 points for number 25, Kian Diva. Armando to Arguez. Arguez, 30 shot. 3. Soribis, forward pass. Diva. Diva, and the score is 43 with 30 seconds left. Here comes Monico. Monico, let it go. Remember, let it go. Back by Arguez. Here comes Villanova. 24 seconds. 15 seconds. 46-43. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. And the first half is 3 over Team Cali.
Jersey number 06, in the ball. Pass to Arguez. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass to Pilar. Yung shooter point. Bata sa isa, malamang nananahagan. Villanueva. Pass to Bautista. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, Vivica. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, Caswala. Jersey number 17, Samson. Tatlo sa dalawa, jersey number 11, Pastor Pilar. Uwan ang kalungan, jersey number 2, Arguez. Yung 2 points, change number Larangan sa Akil Kali. Villanueva gagamitan ng bilis. Kaso wala jersey number 3, Dino. Pass to jersey number 7, pass to Arguelles. Jersey number 11, Arguelles. Pass to Arguelles again. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 10, pass to Amores. Jersey number 35, Ron Amores. Derecho. Pass to Salahuddin. Salahuddin, pass to Diva. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 6. Samson, pass to Arguelles, pass to Digno, pass to Arguelles again, 10 seconds shot. Offensive foul. Foul jersey number 7. Jersey number Jersey number 13, Salahuddin, pass to Amores. Pass to Hernandez, jersey number 10, pass to Amores, checkpoint. Jersey number 4, jersey number 11, Arguelles. Jersey number 11 coming outside, easy controls. Bautista with the ball, pass to Ian Diva. Take the three. Arguelles. 15 seconds shot, pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, Bruno Poste. Jersey number 7, 10 seconds shot, check for Takmilan. Jersey number 13, Salahuddin. Ang pulling niya, hanggang gusto niyo. Yan ang sabi ng jersey number 13. Jersey number 16, pass to Arguelles. Pass to Villan. Jersey number 10, Salahuddin again. Pass to Hernandez for my foul. Foul jersey number 11, Arguelles. Bautista, pass to Bautista. Nagahanap ng kalawa. Pass to Amores. Jersey number 35, Hilma. Takbuhan, jersey number 11, Arguelles. Pass to Direka. Pass to Jetwan. Single. Jersey number 11, Arguelles. Derecho. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, wala kalulang kapitan Villan. Institution. All 51. Tiba. Pass to Hernandez. Jersey number 12. With the ball. 15 seconds shot. Hernandez. Pass to Villan Tiba. Jersey number 25. Take the laundry. Foul jersey number 4. Jersey. Basket. Tanungan jersey number 7. Pass to Dinega. Jersey number 1, Dinega. 15 seconds shot. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, pass to Arguelles. Pass to Dinega. 10 seconds shot. Pass to Dinega again. Jersey number 1. 10 seconds. Substitution. Jersey number 4, pass to Arguelles. 15 seconds shot. Jersey number 11, pass to Arroyo. Instituto ng School Board. Lamang na ng isang Team Kali. China Houdin. Jersey number 13, Tingkat Bilis, Pastor Paul. Wala tayo ng kabigang Aaron Mario. Pastor Vega. Jersey number 1, Di Vega. Jersey number 1, Pero. Offensive foul. Substitution. Second personal foul. Yelling for penalty. Bautista. Into the ball. Bautista. Pastor Fernandez. Veterano. Pero. Offensive foul. Foul versus number 16. Second personal foul. First team foul. Eric Di Vega, jersey number 1, Pastor Lam. Nugutan mo ng kapitan kulangan, jersey number. Pastor Vega, 10 seconds shot clock. Drop the pass, Foul, jersey number 11, Arbuye. Gosper, change play for the game. Lamang na ang hakan. Manza. Di Vega, diretso. Pastor Celina. Ang alam po ko sa sinuman. Jogol, Pastor Ian Diva. Grabe kamay. Kasi naman natin, Arbuye Jersey number 12, Pastor Salamudi. Jersey number 19, Grand. Easy to find. Jersey number 1. Pastor Celino. Jersey number 13, Babak. Jersey number 13, Jersey number 7-second shot clock. 7-second shot clock. 7-second shot clock. Diva. Jersey number 25, Kia Diva. Take the three. Passion of the Malayo. Jersey number 1, Di Vega. Eric Di Vega on time. Wala kapuran. Jersey number Jogol Mario, Pastor Arbuye, jersey number 11, Muma ang mga tulala, jersey number 12, Pastor Salahudi, jersey number 13, Pastor Fernandez, jersey number 12, Tingkali, tulala at hinahabang ng Tingkali, jersey number 1, to the ball. Naku. Wendigo, pero may foul. Foul, jersey number 25, Tiba. Jersey number 25, first personal foul. Second team foul. Second shot clock. Di Vega, pulang Jerry, wala talungan, Solo, Pastor Salamudi, jersey number 13, pero Tingkali ball. Di Vega, Pastor Vincent Digno, jersey number 3, jersey number 2, number 15, second shot up, Pastor Vega. 20 seconds shot. Eric Di Vega, Pastor Montez. Piso, piso. Piso to points. Salahuddin with the ball. Pass to Fernandez. Pass to Bautista. Bautista. 14 seconds shot clock. Walang talunan, tapigan. Dipega. Dipega kailangan mga pass to Mundigo. Mundigo, back. Receive 2 points. Babasabak ang kalamanan ng number 61-57. Fernandez, take the key. No good, out of bounds, single. 14 seconds shot clock, running time. 14 seconds shot clock. Running time. Kahit anong sabihin nyo, running time tayo. Talunan, ball call. Offensive. Offensive foul. Jersey number 9, alam mo na. Jersey number 9, alam mo na. Take personal foul. Last 41 seconds. Salahuddin to the ball. Seconds shot clock. Songo, piso. Dipega. Pasto Digno. Last 10 seconds. Salahuddin, Pasto. Ang foul, last 4 seconds. Pasto Salahuddin. Dipega. With the ball, Dipega. First number 1, step back. Rebound. Mabangalang isa-isa ang kalamangan ng Hunter. Master. With the ball, Pasto Amoges. Pasto Sonyo. Hagis lang. As wala jersey number 7, Pasto Dipega. Jersey number 1, Eric Dipega, Pasto Dipega again, 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 1, Dipega, crossover, Dipega at the right. Kakinabulan lang. Jersey number Pasto Sonyo. Jersey number 0, Pasto Villanueva. Wala, jersey number 3, Pasto jersey number 1, Pasto Armalo. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 1, easy 2 points, Chris Mulder, ang Team Cali, 64-63. Reyes, lahat ng mga 15 seconds shot clock. Pasto Master, Pasto Villanueva, jersey number 10. Foul, jersey number 5. Basket yan. Kalawang gusto sabi nga ay alunahan din yan sa kaso nawala sa kanyang bola. Armario. Armario, wala sa kanya, wala takbuhan, gusto mo sa sinasunod. Offensive foul. Jersey number 00. First personal foul, first team foul. Kiko, to the ball. Kiko setting the play. 15 second shot clock. Pass to Vega. To Vega, 10 second shot clock. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pass to Montez. Here's Camarada. Here's the 2 points. Professor. To the ball. Professor. Pass to Amoges. Amoges, jersey number 5. 10 second shot clock. Pass to Checkboy. Professor, pass through. Sonyo. Walang kalungan, Bautista. 10 second shot clock. Reyes. Reyes. Pass to Amoges. Walang kalungan, Dito. Jersey number 3. Bisa Dito. Side step ng mga may power. Now, jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. First. Basket. Remaining time 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Jersey number 29, Reyes. Jersey number 9, Professor. Professor, back to jersey number. Second program. Pass to Mario, pass to Marcus. Numa. Pass to Montes. Pass to Numa. Pass to Dino. Take the three. Pagod Armario, angat. Walang kalungan, tapitan, gulangan. Numa. Numa, pass to Montes. 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Numa. Easy to watch. Reyes, pass to Bautista, pass to Sonia, masyadong malakas, substitution. Arguez. Armario, pull up play, easy to points. Amat na sa tito ang kalaman. There's another pass to Kiko. Kiko, 15 second shot clock. Kiko, second to play. Kiko. 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Kiko, pero lifting violation. Baba sa apat. Ang kalangan kay Salahuddin Castro Amoges. Veterano pero ang laging violation. The 3 second shot clock. Arguez, take the ball. Piso. Salahuddin, jersey number 13, drive. Wala, jersey number 13, basket. Numa. Numa ball. Nova, 15 seconds shot clock. Pastor Armayo, pull up three. Using 2 points. Batang Papalo. Jesse Rodriguez, Salahudi na naman. Pastor Senya. Wala talunan, patulan po sa reply. Pastor Armayo. Arbues to the ball. Hey! Yung students violation timeout. 75-69. Ang mga kalamangan ng tingkal. Diva, 15 seconds shot clock. Kian Diva, isolation. Kian Diva, beat the point. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, Pastor Arbues. Pastor Di Vega. Jersey number 1, Tina Alma, 15 seconds shot clock. Pastor Arbues. 10 seconds shot clock. Armario. Nakuha ang jersey number Pastor Kian Diva. Coming outside. He's the 2 points. Di Vega. Kapal sa Hudi. Jersey number 13. Magbabaon back to him. 5-73. Dalawa naman. Robert Kings at 6 seconds. Arbues, Pastor Di Vega, Vega Pastor Armario, 15 seconds shot clock. Di Vega, the ball. Di Vega, Pastor Montego. Never mind, foul. 13 seconds shot clock. Armario, wala talunan. Diva. Diva, Pastor Salahudi, Pastor Diva. Diva, piso. Bujuk na ang score on 7-5. 15 seconds shot clock. Di Vega, 10 seconds shot clock. Eric Di Vega, just number 1, 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds shot clock. Good. Easy 2 points. Ang foul. Last 2 minutes. Amogues, 15 seconds shot clock. Rod Amogues. Pastor Kian Diva. Pamatay sunod. Gabawag kalunan. Yun lang. Walang depensa sa ilalim. Jersey number 1. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Jersey number 11, Arbues. Pastor Imal. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 2 points. Balik sa kanyang kalamangan. Bautista, Pastor Salahudi. Jersey number 13, Pastor Jetro. Jersey number 1, Pastor Montego, Pastor Armayo, Pastor Montego. Pastor Montego. Remaining time, 1 minute and 3 seconds. Salahudi, jersey number 13, Pastor Amogues. Seconds shot clock, Bautista. Isa na ang kalamangan ng Tukali. Last 15 seconds. Arbues. The ball. Pastor Montez. Montes. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to De Vega. Eric De Vega. Personal ball, last 30 seconds. Kian Diba. Personal foul. Walking foul. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Kali ang timeout. 14 seconds shot clock. Official score 83-80. Last. Amoges. Pass to Jersey number 11. Sa ating fourth quarter, mga teams wala na kayong timeout. 19 seconds, 14 seconds shot clock. 19 seconds, 14 seconds shot clock. Kian Diba on the ball, back to Salahudi. Jersey number 13, pass to Diba. Green ball. Green ball, tawa ang shot clock. Lubasan na, lubasan. Salahudi, dire-diretso ang sa kanya. Kian Diba. Pagkakasali mo mga mabuhay